Welcome to SupplyTeachers.ae. Supply Teachers is a smart way for schools and teachers to connect for supply teaching opportunities. Whether you're a school looking for a cover teacher or a teacher looking for flexible cover work, Supply Teachers provides a simple platform to bring both sides together. The platform operates across Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Doha, helping teachers find suitable opportunities while making it easier for schools to manage their cover requirements. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Supply Teachers Teacher Portal, manage your availability, track attendance and earnings, update your profile, and manage your documents. Let's get started. If you're a registered teacher, you'll receive your login credentials from the administration team, usually through WhatsApp. Once you have your credentials, visit the SupplyTeachers.ae.com and enter your email address and password. Then click Sign In to access your teacher dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your activity, including your total bookings, reliability score, pending payments, and your next payroll. Scrolling down, you'll also find quick actions that give you easy access to the most commonly used features. Next, let's look at the Schedule section. This is where you can manage your availability. You can select any date and mark yourself as unavailable when you aren't able to accept a booking. You can also move between different weeks to manage your availability in advance. If you change your plans, simply select the date again to make yourself available. Next is the Attendance section. Here you can record and manage your attendance for your teaching assignments. Now let's look at Earnings. This section gives you a complete overview of your payments. You can see your pending pay, the amount you've been paid during the current month, and your next expected payment. You'll also find your expected invoices, which show upcoming earnings, as well as official invoices that have been published and finalized by the administrator. Scrolling down, you can also review your recent earnings and current payroll information. Next, let's move to the Documents section. Here, you'll be able to submit any documents requested by the administration team. Make sure your required documents are uploaded and kept up to date so your teacher profile remains complete. Now let's look at your profile. Your profile provides an overview of your teaching information, including your total bookings, reliability grade, daily rate, professional details, subjects, preferred emirates, and languages. If you need to update your information, simply click Edit. You can add or update your phone number, specialism, teaching subjects, preferred emirates, and languages. Keeping these details accurate helps schools find teachers who match their requirements. Next is the Notification section. This is where you'll receive important updates and notifications related to your Supply Teachers account and teaching opportunities. Finally, you can also download the Supply Teachers app for quick and easy access to your teacher portal wherever you are. And that's everything you need to know to get started with the Supply Teachers Teacher Portal. You can use the platform to manage your availability, keep track of your attendance and earnings, update your documents, and keep your teacher profile up to date all from one place. Thank you for watching, and we wish you every success with your upcoming teaching opportunities through Supply Teachers.